amazing boat. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And across the creek, there's a big workboat named Thunder Force or Thunderbolt. They had lifted only the bow, I assume to work on a bow thruster, I'm guessing. I don't know if they're leaving or if they're going to flip it around and try to lift the stern. Thunder Force is the name of that boat. And that's a commercial workboat, steel hull, steel cabin, dry exhaust pipes. They're not water-cooled exhaust pipes like you'd have on a pleasure boat. And I guess he's not going back in the travel lift because the straps are raised up out of the water. That big shed in the far distance is a paint shed. It's got 2 stalls, so you can take your boat in there and they can spray paint your boat inside the shed, so you don't have to worry about paint overspray. And for anybody out there, yes, I'm using a muffled microphone to knock down the wind. Just the wind's blowing pretty good, so we'll find out how effective it is. Don't know for sure, but it looks like he's backing into the travel lift to the well area, the dock. By the way, any of you oil field people, that's an oil field boat. OSV, offshore supply vessel. Before that, they had the name of truck boat, cargo boat, supply boat. And that's the kind of stuff I grew up running outside of New Orleans, Grand Isle, Venice, Morgan City, Louisiana. Oh, well, I heard the beep beep, so they're getting ready to start the travel lift again. And they're going to take that boat and put it down on the ground, block it up, use the tripods. And I have not talked to anybody, so I don't know what kind of work they're going to be doing to it, but there we go. Headed into the boatyard. If you want to learn more about marine surveys, check our ship store, Ask Captain Chris, ship store, and we have a 44-page PDF, What to Expect of a Marine Survey. If you have questions, ask Captain Chris.